That is why I told you earlier that when you understand the concept of first, second, third person, everything follows. Got it? Hey, are you one of those people who always say, I don't like grammar? Don't worry, I understand you. But the topic we are going to talk about in this video will help you understand grammar much easier. Why? Because this is one of the foundations of grammar rules. And if you master this, understanding verbs, subjects, subject-verb agreement will be a lot easier. So what's the topic then? Let's talk about first person, second person, and third person. Oh my, what is that? Yep, we always say what is that because we never settled this topic. We are going to say the final score here in this video. I promise you, this is going to be very easy, I swear. Let's begin with the first person. What is first person? I am the speaker. I'm talking to you. I am the first person. Hey, how are you? How are you doing? Watch this video and blah, blah, blah. You're listening to me. Therefore, you are the second person. We use the pronoun you. It could be singular or plural. You. Now, I can say I for myself, or I can say we if I have other people around me and we are talking to you. Okay? First person, second person. Now, what's the third person? This is where we always get lost. You know that Taylor Swift has blah, blah, blah. Since we are talking about Taylor Swift is the third person. She's not talking with us, but we are talking about her. Then she is the third person. We are using she because she's a girl. Hey, how's Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise is a man. Are we going to use she? No, we will use the pronoun he. He is good. He is doing well. If we talk about animals, things, we say, how's your dog? It's okay. It's doing great at home. How's your pet? It's fine. How's your new TV? It's good. We use it. One thing, one animal, it. Now, if we will be talking about a lot of people, how are your teachers? How are your classmates? Are your classmates coming to our reunion? Are your friends coming? Are our friends coming to our reunion? Now, our friends belong to the third person. So we should be using they. No, they are not. Yes, they are. Oh, so we are using they for plural form. I or we, first person. Second person, you, one. Or you, a lot of you. And the third person, he for one, boy or man. She for a girl or woman, as long as it's only one. It for one animal or thing, food. And they, many. They. Third person. See? That's how simple it is. Now let's go to the verb forms. Let's talk about the be verbs. I always take on. I am. We can say I is, I are. No, it's always I am. Same as you are. We can't say you is. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are fantastic. You are. Now, the third person, it depends if it's singular or plural. He for a boy or a man, then he is. Girl or a woman, one, she is. One thing or one animal, then we say it. It is. It's always like that. It is. It is a dog. It is a cat. It is a book. Form two or more, they are. They're always they are. They're laughing, they're crying, they are sleeping. So see, that is why I told you earlier that when you understand the concept of first, second, third person, everything follows. Got it? Now, how about if we use have or has? Third person singular, always use has. What are the singular form again? She has. He has. It has. Third person, they. We don't use has, we say have. They have. I, first person, I have. You have. So I have, you have, they have. He, she, it. He has, it has. He has. Forgot what I said. See, that's how simple the rule is. But most learners struggle or couldn't master this. Therefore, the rest of the grammatical rules will be a struggle because they don't know the foundations yet. Because guys, yes, maybe some people really not consider learning grammatical rules, but believe me or not, grammatical rules really affect your sentences, really affect how you deliver your message, and really affect the comprehension of the other people of what you have been saying. I'm not saying that you should be learning the details about grammar, or if it's not your cup of tea, at least know the basics. Okay, I'm not trying to be perfect. What I'm talking about, do you know that what I've been talking about? I've also studied this a lot before giving it to you, because I don't want to give not real ideas or not real information. Okay, so I do hope that you learned something from me in this video. If you have any questions, please don't be shy to ask. If you want to ask more, if you want to learn more by asking, no problem. You are doing better than those people who care for nothing at all. Got it? So, this is Lee saying once again, have a good day. Keep learning. It's never too late to learn. See you again next time. Bye.